My lovely fans, this video una dey see so na im wan kpai Yoyoyo. This video na im wan kpai am. Yoyoyo cannot believe say his son don forget am. His son dey live happily. He dey want anytime wey he see Zenny, make Zenny look haggard, frustrated, bleach like Sadike. You know say Juju Ekwesu dey bleach Sadike. The pikin come be like pikin wey confused. The bleaching, the pikin come get 10 colors. You want to see Zin like that. But he's surprised anytime when he see Zin. Hey, the boy they glow. It be like say Messiano skincare they sell children cream. Because the cream wey Messiano skincare they use for these children, I don't understand. The way these children's skin they glow. If you see the one way black, the black go they shine. If you see the one way fair, fair go they shine. And there is no atom of bleaching in these children. They are just glowing naturally. Now the glow wey Messiano skincare go they glow these children. So now it go draw Yoyoyo attention. So Yoyoyo see Zin, he not believe the eye. Even Zin can't glow past Yoyoyo himself. Even Zin can't glow past his papa. Yoyoyo is surprised to see this boy. The way this boy say they shine, they fresh. I bet Messiano skincare, you go put the name of the cream where you they use for these children. So that Juju Ekwesu will go buy, make she take help her children. Don't be because of her, because of her children. Juju Ekwesu children they get dark eye. Small pikin, her eyes they black for under. The pikin get 5 colors for only a hand. I beg Messiano skincare help somebody before that woman give those children skin cancer. You know, see as children they glow. Now this glow, now it glow go reach your eye. When the man don't confuse so. He can't believe that his son is living happily without him. He can't believe that this boy is doing well without him. Not be all papa na wish pikin well. Some papa want to see the children frustrated and so that they will be under them. Yoyoyo is surprised. Messiano skincare is glowing these children. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you as you do so. Nobody can take my son from me. Nobody can buy the love of my son. My son will surely look for me. My son will surely come for me when the time is right. Yoyoyo giving himself hopeless hope. Giving himself fake promises when no go come to pass. Yoyoyo, no be you tell us say you did the life of your children. Stop confusing us, because this is how you confuse us, and we confused our fans. And they will be telling us, oh, we don't understand what you're saying. We don't get your point. Today una go talk like this, tomorrow una go talk like this. Wait till they read the happen. Now Yoyoyo. Now Yoyoyo, they confuse us. Even we self sometimes we know they bring some news because we not gonna know what we want talk again. Yoyoyo come out, he can't tell una, thank God say he tell una for say una just still talk another one. Yoyoyo tell us say he's in the life of his children. What do we know? He has their contact. They talk. He and Kai they talk. He and Daniela they talk. He and Zin they talk. Today now Yoyoyo they tell us say when his son grow, his son must surely look for him. Nobody can buy love. Nobody can take his son from him, no matter how they try. How come they won't take him from you when you are present in their life? My lovely fans, hopeless man giving himself hope. A man that cannot keep a promise, promising himself. The downfall of Yul Edochie is really tough. Waiting he expect. Waiting Yoyoyo expect not be in the sea. This man want to see May Edochie children in critical condition. Because Juju Ekwesu don't tell and say, waiting they do our children, now they do May Edochie's son. Say make Yoyoyo relax. This the way they do our children, so it is already in their family. If to say Juju Ekwesu children are all right or they do okay, Juju Ekwesu would have been using those children to create content. I tell you, Juju Ekwesu for they do content for now 247 of the day without no resting. Not be that 5 minutes video where she dey post. Let her do video of 20 minutes with those children. Now come they write for the comment section, they give us details. Not be we go they give una details again. You people will see the full true colors identity of those children. Yo, they surprise the way they see Zane. Zane is glowing. Zane they shine. Natural fairness. Juju Ekwensu is bleaching her children. Look at the children who are fair born for Mr. Obasi. Those children are black. Mr. Obasi is a fair man. But Mr. Obasi children, they are dark in complexion. Juju Ekwensu not born pikin way fair. Now bleaching cream. Bleaching cream. Now they bleach them. He bleached Stadike so that Stadike can get gongo for eye. Look at Zane. Natural color. May Edoshe not they bleach any of her children. When Kambili Chukwu was alive, may his soul rest in perfect peace. That boy was black, and May Edoshe maintained his color without bleaching him. Juju Ekwensu just want to do everything so that her children will be like May Edoshe children. Madam, you dey waste your time. You dey waste your time. Let your black children be black. Let the fair ones be fair. Out of all Juju Ekwensu children, now Pipi, now even light small for the children. You see Stadike is a blacky child. You see the last one we born is a blacky child. None of them are fair. She bleached them. Yo, they surprised the way they see Zane. If they feel say Zane go look haggard, look dirty, look rough, like Juju Ekwensu children. But wetin the man they see is no way compared to what Juju Ekwensu gave him. Only yo na I don't they use the math they talk now. He say May Edoshe children are far way different for what Juju Ekwensu gave him. Yo say May Edoshe children are different. Yo say, why is there no resemblance? Why is there nothing like step brothers in these children? He say he don't see a lot of people where they polygamous. So he can't use Grandpapa Ned on to make example. He say see Regina Daniel's son. You see Regina Daniel's son in Grandpapa other children. Yes, there are some. If you see that, you know they are siblings. If you see Regina Daniel's son with Grandpapa other children, you will know that they are siblings. He said, but this Juju Ekwensu, there is nothing compared at all. He said, why May Edoshe gave him good children and Juju Ekwensu gave him what he don't understand. My lovely fans, the man don't sit down, he brain don't they recalculate. He can they look May Edoshe children now. Now he can they do comparison. When they compare May Edoshe children to that of Juju Ekwensu. You're saying don't look Zine a lot of time. Look Juju Ekwensu children. He said there is nothing like siblings between these children. He said May Edoshe gave him correct children. He said he no understand wetin Juju Ekwensu give am. He no understand her. You sit down. He can't remember everything when he and his son do together. Remember when he and his son they do video together. He's always doing video with Zine. Anytime we go Lagos, then he and Zine they do video together. Is either they sing or they go they talk or Zine go they ask a question. All these things you say cannot do it with Pipi. Which one be Pipi? Pipi na the second one. Pupu na the first one. Okay. He say cannot do it with Pupu, which is Stadike. He say everything we do with Zane when Zane small. He say enough he do one with Pupu. doing. If you tell am make sit down, na that time he go get up. If you tell am make get up, na that time he go sit down. If you tell am say concentrate, na that time he go look lost. You say there is nothing he can do with people. The man don't sit down. They regret his life. He don't sit down. Waiting they see, not be waiting Jojo Ekwesu tell am. What is doing Ladike? That is the same thing Zin is going through now. It's because you are no longer there. But you was there when they gave birth to Daniela. You was there when they gave birth to Kambilichku and Kai. None of them have that problem. So how could it be this so mumurity to believe Jojo Ekwesu telling him that what is happening to our children is what is happening to Zin? But as Zin they come at you find out that Zin have nothing to do with what is wrong with Jojo Ekwesu children. They don't have anything in common like that. Zin not get all those their backwardness life. The boy is looking good, sharp, and concentrated, intelligent. They say you can sit down. You say make it not be like say he go come regret his life for old age. May not be like say for old age he go suffer. The way things they go now, it be like say he go suffer for old age. Pupu no pupu. Pipi no pipi. Universal thunder wey bring come say make it take thunder people. He not thunder. Instead, he call they thunder them. You say he don't understand what is happening. He don't get it. He says Zin is growing up very good and very well. Why Jojo Ekwesu children dey backwardness? They say this man go carry pikin picture. Come sit down, they cry. Come they give himself hopeless hope. Imagine hopeless man giving himself hope. Say Zin go find her come. He know the bound they have. He know the love they have. Oga, which love? For 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. Zin was 6 years when you left home. Abi you don't forget Kinikon. Where Zin won't find you come? For where? How? I laugh in Chinese. Oga time never even reach. You don't dey pray make Zin find you come. Where won't find you go? Where? Exactly where? All these men, when they don't waka burukere waka finish, they go call, they say, my child will look for me. Your child will look for where? Look for you for where? For Abuja, before Enugu, before inside Asaba Bush. Now you know, say Jojo Ekwesu born children where they know they see road where. Wonder shall never end. Only you don't sit down now. You don't know, say, at his old age, you go suffer. Oh God, you go time suffer. Because those children, you will carry them till old age. You will take care of them till old age. Till old age. Unless Jojo Ekwesu go confess. Unless she go and confess. My lovely fans, wonder shall never end. You say, see how cute his son don't be. See how Zin is growing well. See how Zin looks so cute. I tell you, say, that skin care way they glow this boy, so the man they trip. They trip. Only Zin skin. Hey, you they trip. You don't they regret your life. Oh. He says, see how Zin don't grow, big boy. He says, see how Zin don't grow, big boy. See how he fine. See how they shine. Look intelligent. Look cool. Look quiet. Concentrated. He don't know what Jojo Ekwesu born for us. Till today, at their age, they say they scatter things. You can't put them in order. How you want to put them in order when their mama not there in order? Is Jojo Ekwesu in order? Before children they dey in order, their mama go dey in order. Jojo Ekwesu a confused woman where they live the life of Mie Edochie. If you see Mie Edochie do this, he go do. That means say she dey social media 24 hours of the day. They look for wetin Mie Edochie they do what she want do next. Hey, when a woman is living a competition life, they will forget the children they born. Jojo Ekwesu no dey care for her children seriously. Now social media na she dey. Social media na she dey. Don't be say they find the money for social media. No, wetin Mie Edochie they do. Wetin Mie Edochie they do. Now it be Jojo Ekwesu problem. Forget that she have children to train. Now children don't grow. Wonder shall never end. Abeg una go console una heart don dey cry, don dey regret him actions. He say May Edochie gave him good children, intelligent children, children that would have been his backbone. He say no be wetin Juju Ekwensu born. He say he don see the difference. He say he remember when Zin was little. He say he was there now. He present for Zin life. He said, wetin Juju Ekwensu children dey do so. He said Zin did not do it. He remember when Zin was small. Don't be only Juju Ekwensu don born for am. Juju Ekwensu go dey tell am say, they say na so Zin be. Wetin just dey do Stadike now. They say na he dey do Zin. Can you imagine? Back to sender. Juju Ekwensu back to sender, back to you. Back to you, old Juju Ekwensu. Carry your cross and don't put your cross on another person's child head. You say waiting they do Pupu and Pipi, now they do Zin enemy. God forbid. Say now they do Zin, God forbid. It's not his portion. You dey find who you want transfer your children kilometers give. You dey find who you want transfer your children mental health give. Hey. You dey find who you want transfer your children autism ability that they call and give. You lie. You go carry your cross. Wonder shall never end, my lovely fans. Leave your comments in the comment section. God bless you.